Hello everyone, so today I would like to show you about how to install Bootstrap into your project in Visual Studio Code by using command line. So the first one is you can hover the now bar and you can select the new terminal and tap npm in it. That's why enter hypertoma and then npm install Bootstrap. It very easy to install the Bootstrap into your project, and then we wait for my internet is slow. Okay, I'm sorry for my internet, so it working. Okay, now I'm check the internet. Okay, my internet have active. Okay, wait a few minutes, few seconds. Okay, this is the okay. You can link the CS file model. Okay, and slash this slash CS and bootstrap min.cs. Okay, you can select the file, this file, and for JavaScript file you can do like that also. Okay, model bootstrap this CJS and bootstrap.min.js. Okay, now we test it. Okay, we can I'm at h2. Okay, I'm at the container, and then I'm at h2 hello. Okay, now we test live server. It's work. Okay, thank you for watching, and add more example. Bootstrap table. Okay,